Planning a move from Worcester to Marlborough? Even though this is a shorter, in-state move within Massachusetts, your final moving costs can still depend on a few important details. Worcester and Marlborough are not far apart, but movers still consider travel time, mileage, truck use, fuel, and how long the crew is needed from pickup to delivery. A small apartment usually takes less time than a larger home. More bedrooms, furniture, boxes, appliances, and storage items can increase the amount of labor and truck space required. For local and nearby moves, pricing is often shaped by time. The number of movers, how quickly items can be loaded, and how simple the unloading process is can all affect the estimate. If you need help packing, movers can assist with boxes, wrapping, padding, and fragile items. This can save time and reduce stress, but it may also add to the total moving cost. Stairs, elevators, tight hallways, apartment rules, limited parking, or a long walk from the truck can make the move take longer. Easy access usually helps moving day run more smoothly. Large or delicate items should be mentioned before moving day. Pianos, safes, antiques, oversized furniture, gym equipment, and fragile electronics may need extra handling or equipment. Weekends, holidays, summer dates, and end-of-month moves can fill up quickly. Booking early gives you more time to compare quotes and choose a schedule that fits your plan. Before booking, ask for a clear breakdown of the quote. Check whether labor, transportation, truck fees, fuel, packing supplies, basic coverage, and possible extra charges are included. The lowest quote is not always the best choice. Look for clear communication, dependable scheduling, useful services, and experience with Worcester to Marlborough moves. When you understand what affects your Worcester to Marlborough moving cost, it becomes easier to budget, prepare, and avoid surprises on moving day. For more details about Worcester to Marlborough moving costs and helpful relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.